There are just a couple things that you can do yourself. They're not that time consuming, but they're going to help you get to that point where the lawn is gorgeous. And the first one is to get an aerator.
Now, I've seen those being used with a big round drum, the motor, but it seems like it damages the yard more than it would help.
I know, Danny, it looks like it's tearing up the whole place. And what it is going to do is leave these little plugs of soil which just kind of look a bit messy on the lawn, but it's actually created holes throughout the whole area where air and water and nutrients, fertilizer can get right down to the roots of the grass.
That's got to be the perfect time to add fertilizer to your yard.
Oh, it's incredible. You can't imagine how strong the grass gets from that. And then you can also sort of top dress with fertilizer in the fall. But if you want to do something a little bit more organic, you can also cut your grass so that you leave some of the clippings on top, and that will break down and feed the lawn.
So I guess that's where the mulching mowers you hear so much about really come in handy.
That's exactly right. They take the cutting and put it into little tiny pieces, and it's not ugly, and it's pure nitrogen, so it feeds the lawn beautifully. And you know, the last thing that you can do is in the summer, if you just let your grass grow longer, 2 to 3 inches, that is so much better for a lawn in the middle of the summer. And just cut the top third off, and that is going to reduce the time you spend mowing and make for a stronger, more beautiful lawn.